Good morning, students. I hope you all are safe at home and enjoying your online learning. Myself, Mrs. Karuna Deve, who is here to guide you to learn the mathematics of 5th standard. In our previous video, we have learned about the basic information regarding Roman numerals. Now let's start our practice set number 1. Here our first question is write all the numbers from 1 to 20 using Roman numerals. As we know that I it means 1, V it means 5 and X it means 10. So here I have already written all the numbers. You will observe them very carefully. Now we can also write it very properly because we have practiced a lot in our previous lecture. So these are the numbers from 1 to 10 which are written in Roman numerals. If you want, you can make a screenshot. Now these are the remaining numbers from 11 to 20. If you will observe it very carefully, then you can understand that all these numbers starting with the Roman symbol X, because 11 it means 10 plus 1, so X and then I is given. 12 it means 10 plus 2, so X and double I is given. 13 it means 10 plus 3, so X and triple I is given. 14 it means 10 plus 4, so X is for 10 and IV is for 4, so XIV it means 14. 15 it means XV. 16 it means 10 plus 6, so X is given, and then VI it means 6, so XVI is 16. 17 it means X plus V double I, so 10 plus 7 that is a 17. 18 it means X V and triple I, because X is standing for 10 and V triple I is standing for 8. So in the same way about 19, 10 plus 9 it means XIX, it's 19, and last is 20, it means double X. So like this way you have to write the Roman numbers from 1 to 20. Now let's move towards our second question, that is write the following numbers using the international numerals. Here the Roman symbols are given, and in just aside of that you have to write the international numbers. It means our counting numbers. V it means 5, V double I 7, X is 14, and X triple I it is for X plus 3. It means 10 plus 3, that is 13. Now this remaining 4 Roman numerals you have to convert into the international number. That is very easy, you can definitely do it. Let's solve the question number 3. Fill in the empty boxes. These boxes are having some empty places which we have to fill by the proper number or the Roman symbol. First number is 3. So 3 it means 3 times capital I we have to write. Then next one is a V and triple I. V is for 5 and triple I it means 3. So 5 plus 3, the number answer is 8. Next number is 6. So 6 it means 5 plus 1. So 5 will be written with the V and 1 will be written with the I. So V and I, that is 6. In the same way the another box is given, that also having 3 empty places which you have to write with the proper number or the Roman symbol. Now here is our fourth question, that is write the numbers using Roman numerals. Here the international numbers are given, and just aside of that you have to write the Roman numerals. The first one is 9, that is I and X. Before the X we have to write I. It means 10 minus 1, so it becomes 9. 2 it means double I, that we know. 17 it means 10 plus 7, so X is for 10 and V double I it means 7, so 10 plus 7 it means X V double I, that is 17. Now in another side the numbers 4, 11 and 8 is given there, and you have to convert them into the Roman numerals. Now let's move towards our last question. Here one chart is given, and inside that chart first 2 columns are given for the international number and same with the Roman numerals. If the pair of both numbers is same one, then we have to put the right tick mark below it. If the international number is not matched with the Roman symbol, then we have to put the wrong tick below that number. Just see the first number, that is 41, and below that the Roman symbol 4 times I is given, which is totally wrong. We are never writing I for 4 times. So we have to put the wrong symbol below it. Next number is 6, and below that the Roman symbol V and I is given. It means the 6, so it is right. Another one is 8, and for the 8 number they have given the Roman symbol IIX, which is also the wrong one because we are writing 8 like as V and triple I, so it's wrong. Next number is 16, that is X, V and I, so it is a right one, so you have to put the right mark, and the last one you have to solve by your own. So students, like this way our practice set 1 is over. So your today's homework is to complete the practice set number 1 in your classwork notebook and practice a lot for the Roman numerals. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.